My name is Ruben Rodriguez, and this is the Whispper 1500, and I'm surrounded by a couple other pieces that connect about the Whispper 1500. This is a 13-gallon clean, 15-gallon recovery, rotational polyethylene body machine. A great body. It holds a whole lot of water. It dumps a whole lot of water. The way we can cut down some of our work time is by using the features that come with the machine. Let me explain to you a couple of those right now. This machine comes with two vacuums. 1500 PSI pump. It has your automatic dump. It has a circuit breaker. It has a momentary switch to make sure that you're on two different circuits. When you have a machine with this much ability, this much capability, you want to make sure you're plugged into two different circuits. How do you know that? You don't. So what you got to do is you got to plug them in and you got to test. This is a momentary switch. You hit this. If that light turns green, you're on two different circuits. If it doesn't turn green, you're on the same circuit. You run the risk of shutting off all your lights. So you want to make sure when you plug them in, before you do anything else, you test. Okay? Pretty simple. The machine has two cords. The machine has a number of other features that are on the back panel here. The first one is, here's your PSI pressure gauge right here. It's adjustable. You can get it up or down to do carpets. You can do it up or down to do hard surface. We recommend the maximum for a hard surface, whether that be cement or any other hard surface cleaning that you want to do. For carpet, we'd like to see you get that way down to 300 to 400 PSI. We don't think you want to clean carpet any more than that kind of pressure. The way to adjust it is right here. This adjusts one way or the other to go up or down. But you got to make sure that when you adjust this, that you're also giving pressure on your wand. So you want to hit a trigger of whatever you're using at the same time you're trying to adjust it. This will give you a true reading when you're using the wand or another piece of equipment. Okay, the machine itself comes with a couple of 10-inch wheels in the back and a couple of 4-inch casters in the front. The whole machine, just like it is, weighs about 250 pounds. It's not a small piece of equipment, but for interior or someplace where you don't have access to a lot of ways to dispose of your water, this is the best way to go. The machine itself comes with automatic fill and automatic dump. Auto fill means you don't have to fill it up. You just hook up your water, and that's hooked up right in front, right here. Right here. That's hooked up with a 50-foot hose to your tap. It's got automatic dump, which hooks up to right here. We did not connect this morning because we're not going to use this in any kind of function here. We're just going to show you where it is. That hooks up to a hose, also 50 feet, goes right to your drain, your toilet, your whatever you got to dispose of the dirty water. Another way to dump the water out too is through this hose right here. This is a hose that you can just take off the machine and push it straight down and be ready because this thing will empty in like 2.5 seconds. The machine has a couple of floats on the inside, float levels, and that'll tell you, for instance, if you're filling it up with water, you don't want to overfill it, so when the float level gets so high, it stops sucking in water from the tap. Also, on the dump pump side, when you get the float level down to a certain, it'll stop pumping out there. But as long as that water is way up and the float level's up, it's going to keep pumping out water. This is a great machine for hard surface, like I explained to you before. But the thing with this is, once you get used to the machine, you can use all the other benefits and equipment that we sell for hard surface in larger and smaller. And I'll get to those at another time. But for right now, this is a Whispper 1500, and it's made by TMI. And I think if you make this machine your choice, it'll be a great choice. Thank you very much.